Namaste. Welcome to our channel Yog Katha. Today we are going to talk about Odanam or rice. Odanam or rice is an ancient food mentioned since Vedic times. They fall under the group Shukadanya, that is cereals with husk. It is a staple food consumed across the globe. The dehusked rice is known as Tandula, while the cooked one is called Odana or Bhaktam. Sudhau tam tandulan svitam sato ye panchagune pachet taduktam prasrutam choshnam vishadam gunvanmatam. For cooking rice, we will need rice 1 small cup, water 5 cups, required time 15 to 20 minutes, serves 1. Method: take 1 cup of rice in quantity sufficient water, wash the rice properly 2 times and strain out the excess water each time. Take a vessel and pour the rice. Measure 5 cups of water and add it to the rice. Generally, the unpolished rice absorbs more water and needs extra time to cook. We recommend you to use 5 cups for the unpolished rice and 4 cups for the polished one. Cook it in a low to medium flame and do not cover it with the lid. Take a pinch of rice and press it between your fingers and check for the doneness. Remove excess water. When the rice is cooked, remove it from the heat and cover it with the lid. Serve hot. Ayurveda advises to wash the rice properly before cooking and removing water, that is mud, during the process of cooking. This makes the cooked rice light for digestion. Otherwise, cooked rice tends to be heavy, that is guru, for digestion. To make it even lighter, roasting of rice before cooking is advised. This process makes it lagu, that is light, sugandhi, that is flavorful, and kapha nashaka, that is decrease kapha in the body. This type of rice can be used in kapha roga and visha. Rice is snigdha, that is unctuous, madhura, that is sweet in taste and digestion, shitavirya, that is cold in potency. Rice increases kapha and vata slightly. It pacifies pitta and decreases purisha, that is stool, and increases mutra, that is urine. It increases Shukradhatu and does Brahmana, that is, increases bulk of the body. Bhaktam vahanikaram pathyam tarpanam rochanam lagu adhautam asrutam sheetam gurvaruchyam kafapradam. The cooked rice, when served and taken hot, increases the digestive fire, that is Agni Karaka, is good for the body channels Pathya, clears body channel Vishad, increases appetite, that is Rochan, and is light, that is Laghu. How to use rice as medicine? Rice should be served and taken when hot. Rice is wholesome in conditions like Jwara, that is fever in the form of gruel, Rakta Pitta, that is bleeding disorders, Prameha, that is diabetes. The rice older than 2 years is recommended. Tvaka Roga, that is skin disorders. The rice older than 2 years is recommended. Arsha or piles, Karshya, that is leanness of body, Mutra Kicha, that is burning micturition. Rice is unwholesome in conditions like Shotha, that is swelling of body parts. The newly harvested rice or rice less than 1 year old should be avoided. Udar Roga, that is diseases related to abdomen. Rice flour should be avoided in this condition. Swasaroga, that is asthma or asthma like conditions. Thank you.